take the Popeye out.
Alright.
And let's give Tutti Fruit. Hi, sweetness. Away. That's some good stuff. Yeah.
Definitely watching.
Yummy. That's good. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's see. Which
You just
leg
hang out
first?
there, right there. I see what. Put your legs together. Maybe put your legs together. Move your hands. Let me have her.
Okay.
All right, Sister Cat. Here we go. Okay. Hey, hey, big girl. Hey, big sweetheart. She can be mad at me. Yes, sure is. Yes, sure is. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. Where's our foot daddy? Where's our foot daddy? He did it. He did it.
That wasn't bad.
He did it. Yeah. If y'all leave me alone, I could go back to sleep. Bless your heart. That's so short. No fun being oh, man. I need to move up to you. Come on, one more time. Oh, Baba. It's over. I know it. Pick her up and look. And she's not talking. She's very quiet, like I'm